this is my second solo exhibition, and it's called YFES. YFES means textures in Greek.
Wara li ħadmet il-Greċja u l-Italja, Jo Dounis reġgħet lura Malta u issa qed ittella Wirja tagħha kkurata minn Melanie Erixon.
Each painting of each of the 29 in this collection have this common theme of texture. Some thicker texture, some less, but all about texture. I wanted to go in a different direction. I would like to be known as a versatile artist, not one who is put into a box and known just for one thing. I love to experiment, I love to try something new, so I decided to go in the opposite direction to what I was doing before, and from flat to texture made the most sense, and I love working with texture. We're surrounded by a lot of negativity, and I wanted to feel like it was an escape, in a sense that look for a sense of peace, for a sense of stillness, for a sense of calm, and I tried to bring that into each and every painting in this collection. The thing that affected me when I was painting these, this sense of stillness, sometimes I would close all the doors in my flat and just paint in complete silence, almost like a form of meditation. If there was any negativity in my life, I would go into this space. And I want the viewer to feel the same thing. I want the viewer to look at each and every one of these paintings and feel a sense of stillness, a sense of peace, a sense of calm, almost like an escape. Not to lose touch with reality, but just to get away, even if it's just for a few minutes, and to forget everything, you know, and just feel joy, if you like. I think everything happens for a reason. I think it happened at the right time of my life. I'm more mature. I've traveled practically the world. I've seen places that many people don't see, out in the middle of nowhere. Beauty, and if I didn't have that, I think my paintings would have been different 40, 30 years ago. So no, I don't wish I started when I was much younger, because there were other things going on which probably have shaped my soul. So when I paint a painting, my soul is in each and every one of the painting, whether it's joy, whether it's fear, whether it's hope, whether it's pain, suffering. So there's a little bit of that coming on, and that comes with experience, I think. I would lay colours out and I would see what they look like on a piece of paper, and then see, oh, I like that colour with that colour, but I don't like all the colours together. Let's change it up again. So I'm playing, and that's the longest part of my painting process. And then once I've decided, I have an idea in my head, once I've decided what colours I'm going to use, then in this case, in the textures, I would lay down the texture and start putting layer upon layer upon layer upon layer. Some of these paintings, if you look close, you will see 10, 15 layers of different colours under there. That kind of only show through if you look at them closely, you know, but the effect is that. So it gives more light and more depth, if you like.